What you're about to see will change everything you know about car protection. Today, we're introducing a product so innovative, it changes everything we know about car care. Every once in a while, a revolutionary product comes along that changes everything. Today, we're introducing 3 revolutionary products: a paint protector, a shine enhancer, and a water repellent. These are not 3 separate products. This is one product, and we're calling it Limlex. Today, Limlex is going to reinvent car care. First, let's talk about the current state of car care. Everyone wants their car to look perfect. But ta that pride when your car looks showroom perfect again. This is where 90% of products fail. They only work on the surface. But Limlex bonds with your paint at a molecular level, transforming how your car interacts with the environment around it. Complete protection. Nothing sticks to it. Not water, not dirt, not even road salt. You could pour battery acid on this paint and it wouldn't leave a mark. Imagine driving through rain, snow, mud, and your car staying perfectly clean. Over 120,000 German car owners have already switched to Limlex. And it's going viral across podcasts and social media. Why? Because it delivers an experience you simply can't get anywhere else. Unlike other products that last a few weeks, Limlex protection lasts for 8 months. That's revolutionary. One application, 8 months of protection. That's less than $10 per month to have the best-looking car on your street. Now, you might expect this technology to cost thousands. Professional ceramic coating starts at $2,000, but we wanted to make this accessible to everyone. Limlex is just $79. Oh, and one more thing. Every Limlex kit includes our professional interior cleaner and premium cloth. Complete protection, inside and out. Limlex ships worldwide with a 90-day guarantee. But with these results going viral, stock is limited. This will change everything about how you care for your car. So, what are you waiting for? Get yours now and experience it for yourself. Thank you.